So, winter's coming. So here at Garage Time, we are collecting and gathering lots of projects to do over the winter. If you've been following, we have our Subi swap, which is underway. Currently, we're waiting on parts. But just yesterday, our Grumpy's Metal 21 window conversion kit arrived. We've unpackaged it. We've gone through everything. You can see we've kind of got it laid out there on the floor, but yeah, follow along and we're gonna go step by step showing you how to convert your hardtop bus into a 21 or 23 window if you're lucky enough. Ours is a 13 window deluxe, so we will have 21 windows. So here's a look at the kit laid out on the floor. You can see there's quite a few pieces, but everything is included in the kit that you need. We have obviously our 8 windows, our center section, our tracks, which came with nice new polished rails. Behind it there, we've laid out the full mechanism. We went for the green style glass, if that's kind of keeping it more to the original look that Volkswagen had, and shades your head a bit, I guess, from the sun. There's a bunch of small little bits as well with the kit, some nuts, some scribing tools and whatnot. We've placed them in the Tupperware at the back right away, so when we were discarding all the boxes, we didn't lose anything. And also from Grumpy Metals, as we're going through this process, we decided to add the floor pans. We wanted, not that we're concerned about stability. I know a lot of people do the roof kit without the pans, but we decided we wanted to add the pans just to be safe. So yeah, there's a shot of the pans. So we're going to be going through that full process step by step. First step will be obviously removing everything out of the bus that's there. We have nice finished seats, we have carpet kit, we have nice polished aluminum windows. So we'll be removing all of that. We're not going to bore you with that in the video. We'll just get all that removed, get the prep prepared, and we'll come back with episode 2 when we start to cut the hole in the roof. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We have 2 cool series going on right now, the Subi swap and the roof conversion. So we'll be posting episodes on both of those as we progress. See you out there.